Introducing Ridgepoint, one of Bloomfield Homes' newest neighborhoods.
This is a fantastic community right in the sweet spot of Midlothian. We're located on 14th Street, just off Highway 287. This gives you easy access to downtown Fort Worth, Arlington, the DFW airport, as well as downtown Dallas.
And highways 287, 67, 460, 35E, and the George Bush Tollway are nearby as well. Ridgepoint features larger home sites with a minimum width of 70 feet, as well as a playground, pavilion, and open space.
Bloomfield is building its classic floor plans with the Signature Series amenities that offers more luxury included features at the base price. Every home will have cedar garage doors, 8-foot mahogany front doors, our deluxe kitchen package with vent hood and built-in appliances, granite tops on the first floor bathrooms, as well as a stone fireplace.
Ridgepoint is featuring its Primrose 6 model home, one of its largest, most versatile plans.
This home can be built from almost 2,800 square feet to over 4,400 square feet, from 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2.5 to 5 bathrooms. You'll have the option to choose from over 20 different floor plans ranging from 2,000 to over 4,400 square feet. You won't find a better value than Bloomfield Homes with our long list of luxury included features, the architectural design elements like art niches, built-in bookshelves, vaulted ceilings, and loads of natural light. And right down the street from Ridgepoint is Midlothian Community Park.
Midlothian offers a small town atmosphere with a charming historic district.
Midlothian is close proximity to some major employers as well as multiple universities. When it comes to recreation, you have nearby Joe Pool Lake, the Texplex Park, as well as Globe Life and AT&T stadiums. Midlothian ISD has phenomenal academic as well as athletic programs. It's one of the top districts in the state. This is a premium location in Midlothian and there are not many home sites. Come visit us today.